Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com.
Our first this evening, weak and spineless were the words used by Chairman of the St. James Municipal Corporation, Homer Davis, to describe his People's National Party PNP colleagues over their decision to support an end to the state of public emergency in the parish.
Mr. Davis made the remarks in the latest meeting of the St. James Municipal Corporation. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
The heated debate about why there should or should not be a continuation of the state of emergency in St. James continues. It took center stage at the St. James Municipal Corporation's monthly meeting on Thursday after PNP councillors sided with their party and withdrew support for an extension of the SOE in a press release to the corporation. Chairman Homer Davis expressed disappointment.
I have always said, we who are down here, we see it, we live it, and as I quoted, who feels it knows it. I have heard the councillor from the Granville division crying out in a voice clip, and now to see they are backtracking, I would say they are weak, they are spineless.
In his defense, PNP Minority Leader Michael Troop reiterated the opposition's position that they're against measures that trample on the constitutional rights of citizens.
I agree to save life, but you're destroying other life. You're destroying families. When a mother, father, child is down there and they can't sleep for days, they don't know what is happening. What can happen? So, keep the police, keep the searches, keep the roadblock. That's how we say.
There have been mixed reactions to that statement, but for Councillor Charles Sinclair, the timing of the withdrawal is wrong.
If you go to the Jamaica Defence Force base in St. James right now, you see construction taking place. The construction is taking place for a particular reason, because it is going to house a battalion of JDF soldiers instead of having to transport them from out of town into St. James to service Montego Bay, St. James and Western Jamaica. It don't finish yet.
We have to stand up for what is right and not what our political party wants, because we are here to serve our people.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.